Now here we're going to install an outside light. As you can see, I've marked the position of it, and I'm actually going to drill from the outside in. Now the reason for this is face brickwork, and if I drill from the inside out, obviously I can break this out and finish up with a big hole here, so we don't want to do that. Also, I am going to drill at an angle going up, because obviously moisture won't travel uphill and we don't want to get any moisture in the dwelling. Right, now I've finished drilling the hole, and as you know, it went up at an angle. If we actually look round at this cavity here, you can see exactly what I've done. I've gone up at an angle like that, drilled through, but now I've got a problem getting the cable through. Now quite often I've got to go through that skin there, and the insulation in the middle. I've seen electricians use coat hangers to do this and get in all sorts of trouble. But there is a product on the market which is absolutely ideal for it. It's called Magnamole, and I'll show you how it's used. What we in fact do, we push that up this way, and that's got a magnet on the end. So in fact I'll do that, and then we're going to show you exactly how we're going to use it, and we'll push the cable through. Very easy. Now here we are inside the building. As you can see, there's the hole I drilled through, and there's the Magnamole poking through. Now what I've got to do is attach one of these caps onto the end of the cable. Very simple. Push that on there, twist it on, and there it is joined. Now this is in fact for 1mm cable, but it does come in a whole range of sizes, as you can see here. And even in fact, if you had a bigger cable, you could strip some of the cores off and you could use one of these for that. Now all I've got to do now is to put that to there, and you can see, look, that's a very, very strong magnet. Poke the cable through. Right, now that's the cable through. Disconnect that from there. Unscrew the magnet, because obviously it can be used over and over again. We'll put a knot in the cable so it can't get pulled back, and that's the job finished. Very easy. So we saw how easy Magnamole was to use in a standard house build. But what about if you're dealing with thicker walls? Well, there's a couple of options here. First and foremost, Magnamole comes with extensions. So you would just push that through there like that. Go around the other side to the other room, outside or inside, wherever it is. Join your cable on like so. Push your cable through. Back round there. And there it is, your cable's through. I've just done it by myself. This would normally be a job for two of you, or you'd spend a long time trying to get that through there. Now here's a scenario which you'll come across a lot of times. I want to get a cable from this wall through to that wall. The trouble is there's a window in the way. Now I can't drill through the window, so alternatively I'm going to prove to you that Magnamole doesn't have to work in straight lines. What I've done, I've drilled a hole through there into the cavity. I've drilled a hole through that side into the cavity. So look, if I poke that through there now, roughly I feel that it's about halfway through into the cavity, and I feel that the cable and the Magnamole have joined. So basically what I need to do now, push that through there like that, and there we are. Now how quick and easy was that?
We thank you for choosing Jonard Industries, the leader in fiber optic, CATV, and telecom tools.